Kasurkar jong ka jilla Meghalaya menta kasngi ka arp pratarik rampang arhajar arpusau kalarake ya ka National Science Day ban penlajru bun kijaj pentrikam halor ka jingpule puthi kum ka jingle kaichas ka Meghalaya Star 30 ka belong ka nonglam khamat na ka benta ki badan mensim ban pule ya ka net ban JEE ban pule ya ka science kasurkar jilla kala penlajru ban pule na ki kor ki bor jong ka pertai start ka bamenta ura kam sangma ula aiman sim ya ki bapule sans ban pyndonkam hok ya ki sap ki phong ki bakidon ula ben rap da ka ba ong ru ba ki Briew ki badon ka jingnang jingtip kin salong sep la shai la shisngi lada kim don ka jingyada ka bamenta ha ki ne ki sngi namar lada kim tri bha ne kim pen kala ne pen thmai ya lade yo le se la shai ka bor jong kan technology ne ki bor jong ki machine kin sa Shim iaKa benta jong ki Briew hangta kinsa longsep klem don dor shu.
Scholars will be useless tomorrow if we don't have a precaution today. Why? Because if we don't work better, if we don't update ourselves, tomorrow the technology, the artificial intelligence will take over and will substitute us. There was a World Education Forum in London 2 years back where I had an opportunity to participate. There was a CEO of the AI. He was talking about the artificial technology to the world, where honorable minister across the country, across the world, from Lebanon, from Africa, from Middle East, all were there. Somebody from Sri Lanka, honorable minister from Sri Lanka, he stood up and asked, if artificial is going to take over the human force, what about our education? What about our people? Our people will be useless and they will not have any works. Our labor force, our human level will be taken over by the artificial intelligence. Then what will be our people? There will be war. It's what? The question from the honorable minister from Sri Lanka. What the CEO said. Yes, therefore it's a time to revisit our curriculum, our syllabus, our contents, our policy of education. Why? I also feel it in the same way. If human beings are not careful today, we will be substituted by the technology tomorrow. This technology is a product of human minds. And humans are not a product of the technology. We have to be minds today. Therefore, as a human beings, our natural intelligence must walk one step away than the technology, then we will be able to utilize technology for the meaningful purpose.